Hello and welcome back to my channel, RottingRed. I'm Red. Hi, welcome back. And also hello, there's 700 and I think 2 of you now. That's fun. Hi, how are you all doing? Okay, so yeah, we're doing makeup today as normal. Nothing's different here. And we're doing a little Halloween vibe. Kind of. I'm just doing a Disney villain actually. But yeah, I did actually record a tutorial of Bella Dimitrescu, but I flopped the tutorial very much because half the tutorial you could just see like my hair, and you know that's not really useful, not very helpful at least. I might redo it at some point. Just not at the moment because I'm like, you know, kind of annoyed by it. But today we are doing something blue. Kind of. I guess he's kind of grayish, but I'm going with the more blue vibe. We're doing Hades from Disney. You know, the Disney's Hercules Hades. Yeah. Actually, his name in Danish is Hades. Is kind of weird. Actually, if you guys are interested in like learning a Danish word, are you interested in that? Like me, maybe like kind of like Nikki Doris she does. He mentions like a word in the end of her video, a Dutch word I think. I can do a Danish word. I don't know if anyone's interested in that, but it could be fun, you know. So yeah, maybe I will ask on my Instagram and stuff like that too if anyone is actually interested in that. I know some people likes to know little words of other languages. I do at least. So maybe. But yeah, we're doing Hades today. I can't wait to be blue. I don't know. I'm not completely doing him as he is presented in the cartoon, just because I don't know, there's a lot of work. But you know, I'm doing a little more, I guess a little more, how do I say that? I want to say a word, but it's not very appropriate. So a little more naughty, not naughty, but like a little more less like the cartoon, and maybe a little more glam. I guess glam could work too. A little more glam Hades. We're doing that. And I am probably mainly going in with my Everything You Need matte palette, because you know there's a fine variety of blues. I might also go into something else just because I might need some darker shades for contouring and stuff like that. Look at my little Halloween shelf. Isn't it cute? I love it. It's adorable. this eye, I don't know, I just kind of came up with it. It wasn't a little planned, but I kind of like it. But it's very odd built up kind of thing. And I'm gonna try and show how I do it, but I thought I wanted to just quick explain a little thing. So these lines, you kind of want to go a little bit back and forth with darker and the lighter shades. Just when you blend up, it might get too dark, which meaning you have to go back in with some light, just to make sure that there's like this light behind the next bit of this line. So this line is the dark line, and you can see there's like a light. It's like a highlight basically. So make sure that's right against it, and you kind of blend it up so it gets lighter as you know, the closer you get to the other black line. Yeah, and I use a few shadows for this, and a lot of small brushes. And this white stuff is just like eyeliner. I wanted to make it a bit more flamey, but it's really not that flamey. But it's kind of, at least it looks interesting. But yeah, that's what we're going with. I'm gonna show it, and hopefully it's gonna make sense. I hope. So, what do we think? It's not really that Hades, but it was inspired by him, so he deserves the credit, okay? It's a pretty interesting look. I having a hard time not trying to sing I'm blue. It's fine. Okay, I will go listen to it after this, and I will just sing a lot. But yeah, I don't know what to feel about this. I'm very blue, but it's kind of fun. You know, it's a fun look. Don't get me wrong, it's fun. It's very creative. Doesn't really have a Hades energy, which was what I wanted, but that didn't happen. But it kind of got something else, maybe like a spirit? Some sort of spirit, maybe like a frost spirit, who knows, I don't know. Maybe. Could be fun. Maybe a little frost spirit instead. Anyway, let me know if you like this look, even though it's not very Hades energy. But kinda, if my hair was more, maybe then that would help. But it's fun. It's very blue. I hopefully I'm not gonna be stained. Oh my god. Can't wait to find out. Will I be stained on the next episode of this YouTube channel? Probably not, because I'm horrible at making videos. But yeah, let me know what you think. It's a fun look. I like it. Also, thanks for the 700 something subscribers. I hope you enjoy your stay here and you stay for a while. Yeah, I'm very bad at this anyway. If you like this video, you should like it, because that's nice. Okay, I hope you had a great day, a great week, a great month, and hopefully we'll have a great year and an even a greater October. Bye!